Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your study abroad funding with Fastweb step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Fastweb website at www.fastweb.com. Create an account if you don't already have one. Fill out your academic profile thoroughly. Be sure to include your major, GPA, and interests. This information helps Fastweb match you with relevant scholarships. Explore the list of available scholarships specific to study abroad programs. Use the search filters to narrow down your options. Look for scholarships that fit your academic background and study abroad plans. Pay attention to application deadlines to ensure you don't miss any opportunities. Read the eligibility criteria carefully to confirm you qualify. Take note of the documentation required for each scholarship. Prepare your application materials in advance. This may include essays, transcripts, and recommendation letters. Customize your application for each scholarship. Highlight your unique experiences and goals related to studying abroad. Submit your applications well before the deadlines to avoid last-minute issues. Regularly check your Fastweb account for new scholarship opportunities. Set up email notifications for relevant updates. Network with others who are applying for study abroad funding. Attend workshops or webinars offered by Fastweb or other organizations. Seek feedback on your application materials from peers or mentors. Continue to refine your essays and personal statements. Once you receive scholarship offers, evaluate your options carefully. Accept the funding that aligns best with your educational goals. Follow the funding guidelines to ensure compliance throughout your study abroad experience. Stay organized by keeping track of all scholarships, deadlines, and requirements. With diligence and preparation, you can maximize your chances of funding your study abroad adventure through Fastweb. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.